Hi, it's Chelsea Carshaw, nurse practitioner at Well Medical Arts. I wanted to talk a little bit today about hormone replacement. If you're feeling like your hormones are kind of down in the dumps, a little sluggish, you're feeling that middle-aged blah, we do wellness consults here where you come in, we go through your health history, we draw your blood to look at all your hormone levels. And a lot of times we see that those hormones are down in the dumps with the testosterone, the estrogen, progesterone. We help both female and males too, because both of us experience those hormones declining. And once we get your hormones back, we can talk about what options you have for treatment. Our leading option is the pellets. That's where we have bioidentical hormones, so similar to what you naturally produce in your own body, and we insert them into your behind once every 3 months. The pellet's the size of a little grain of rice, and it slowly releases those hormones without causing a spike and a dip in those hormone levels. Our patients are loving it. It's helping with their cognition, their mood, stamina, energy, their libido, their sex drive. It's helping in all aspects of their life. So if you're interested, we do wellness consults to see where you're at and give you your best treatment options.